Hi guys, welcome back once again to the Nifty City YouTube channel. So today what we'll be discussing in this video, first of all, Nifty analysis, Bank Nifty analysis, Friday को क्या हुआ, Monday को क्या हो सकता है. We are not going to be predicting the market. दोनों साइड के levels देखेंगे, upside, downside क्या हो सकता है. Another important thing, Tuesday को budget है, तो एक बहुत ही simple budget strategy डिस्कस करेंगे. All right. So now, as you can see, this is the Nifty futures chart. So what happened on Friday? So Friday ko we had a gap up. Here we had a gap up opening. We went up. अब ये जो resistance था, इसके around तभी ये resistance ये था 15-minute high candle का. So somewhere around here, I was expecting कि ये जो gap area है ना, ये gap area fill होगा. Why was I expecting this? क्योंकि upside पे if you can see the candles इतना strength नहीं दिख रहा था candles में, right? So I was expecting कि इधर से ही reverse होगा and ये gap fill होगा, ठीक है? But मेरी गलती, I didn't have conviction on myself. हुआ क्या? Why that lack of conviction happened? जो 15-minute high था वो इधर breakout हो गया, ठीक है? ये 15-minute high breakout हुआ तो मुझे लगा ये रेंज जो था ये रेंज का ब्रेकआउट मिल गया, बट दैट वाज नॉट द केस. उसके बाद ये ब्रेक हुआ, मुझे लगा ये पॉइंट पे होल्ड होगा और वापस पुल बैक होगा, ये भी नहीं हुआ, फिर और फॉल आया. दैट इज व्हेन आई शेयर्ड कि नाउ द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट ये गैप फिल होगा ही होगा, एंड एग्जैक्टली यही हुआ. ये नीचे आया, इसने अपना गैप फिल कर दिया है अभी जो ट्रांजैक्शनलिस्ट जोन था. So now going forward, what can we expect? There are certain levels that I have marked for you guys. Okay. So the first level is the flip. Flip is 17,114 या 115 to 17,135 on the future charts. Flip क्या होता है? Flip होता है basically a kind of a zone जिसके नीचे हम negative हो जाएंगे, जिसके ऊपर हम positive रहेंगे. ठीक है? This is what the flip by definition will be for us. रेजिस्टेंस जोन इमीडिएट इंट्राडे के लिए क्या है हमारे पास कल 17,207 to 17,224. दिस इज आवर इमीडिएट रेजिस्टेंस and immediate support is 17,010 to 17,035. This is our immediate support. Now it can very well happen that there is a, we open somewhere in the flip area, fall down, go to the support and then reverse. All right, and vice versa, we can go up towards the resistances and then reverse. कैन बी पॉसिबल. ट्यूसडे को बड़ा इवेंट है, ये भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि मंडे गोज वेरी साइलेंटली, तो साइलेंट डे, रेंज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाए थोड़ा और, ये भी पॉसिबल है. वी विल ऑल्सो सी द डेली चार्ट्स. रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स ऑन द टॉप आर 17,280, 17,394, देन वी हैव अ जोन 17,429 to 443 एंड 476 उसके ऊपर. इसके ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस मार्क करने की जरूरत नहीं है हमको कल के लिए. On the downside, we have the support at 16,915, followed by the important zone of 16,839 to 855. Okay, so these are the important zones or levels on the Nifty chart. Okay, very simply, what we have to do, anytime कोई भी कैंडल ये स्टॉक ये रेजिस्टेंस या फ्लिप या सपोर्ट जोन, ये जोन्स के अंदर कोई कैंडल बन रहा है, रिवर्सल कैंडल दिख रहा है हमको कि ये जोन से रिवर्सल ले रहा है या ये जोन से रेजिस्टेंस ले रहा है, उसके हिसाब से ट्रेड लेना है. वेरी सिंपल. तो लाइव मार्केट में आपके पास ये लेवल्स मार्क्ड होने चाहिए चार्ट्स पे, सो इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू. नाउ लुकिंग एट द डेली चार्ट. Okay, as you can see, I have already marked Nifty Spot. This is Nifty Spot. Nifty Spot with 17,600 is a major resistance. Now, if you can see, we took support from here, but we went up and now we face resistance. Somewhere around 17,350, 370 के आसपास we have faced resistance. Now, what I'm expecting is that the market before the important day of budget should stay within this range. All right. We should not break yesterday's bottom, 17,078. If we break yesterday's bottom before the budget, then we will become very negative. Our bias will shift towards the negative side. Okay. Now moving on to the Bank Nifty and its levels. Bank Nifty comparatively is looking more stronger than Nifty, as I've said time and again. Budget mein financials are going to have more preference for me than the Nifty index. We'll come to the reason why. Now, Bank Nifty mein the major level is 37,855 to 38,000, 37,998. This is the flip zone. Okay. Here also similar, here little more than gap filling happened. So it's kind of consolidating in this range. Major resistance that we will have is 38,440 to 38,503. There's one level in between 38,155. On the downside, we have 37,491 and the major support zone of 37,271 to 37,329.60. Below that, the largest support that we have is 37,000, even as per the OI data. 37,000 to बिल्कुल भी break नहीं होना चाहिए. What do we have on the upsides? For the resistances, we have 38,683 and then we have 38,900 to 38,930. Iske upar ka we are not seeing the market as of now. Okay, so these are the levels. Now coming to the important part of the budget strategy, that is for Tuesday. So this strategy will involve roughly a capital of around 40,000 rupees. So if you don't have a capital of 40,000, no problem. This strategy is not for you. But on Tuesday, we can follow the trend, whichever side the trend is going, we can follow the trend and make an informed decision at that time. If you have a capital of 40,000, this strategy is for you, where you can execute the strategy tomorrow afternoon at around 3:15, 3:20 before the market closes. You can execute the strategy. All right. So now what is the strategy? This is the website called Opstra, where we opened our strategy builder. Okay. Now, this strategy has two legs. One leg that we'll be taking tomorrow afternoon, 3:15, 3:20 ke aaspas. Second leg will be after Tuesday morning, the market opens. After a certain run up, we will enter the second leg. So now let's look at the first leg. Now in the first leg, what we have to do, this is the option chain. Currently at the money strike is around 17,100, 150 is ATM strike. Now say tomorrow we travel to 17,200, 250, or on the downside, we're towards 17,000. Okay, any which side. We have to buy call and put of the same strike. Okay, so let's assume the market is at 17,100. Currently it is at 17,100. Let's assume tomorrow also the market is at 17,100. So what is your call option price? 406. And what is your put option price? I'll just move this. Put option price is 378. Okay, so you have to buy call also, put also, one lot, or you can increase the number of lots as per your risk appetite. Now on Tuesday, after the market moves, whichever side the market will move, say it may go from 17,100, it can go to 17,300, 350. Whatever price it goes to, 300, 350, that price ka at the money, 300 ka, we will buy call and put again. Simple. So now what will happen? You have 17,100 call and put. You have 17,300 call and put. Now from 17,300, if the market goes up, your 17,100 ka call will also appreciate, 17,300 ka call will also appreciate, and put value will not become zero because there is Wednesday and Thursday, time decay will not become zero. So you will make a profit overall of around 100 points. Clear? 100 points in terms of option premium value. Okay. If you want to better this strategy, we are expecting more movement in Bank Nifty. Okay. So this was for the Nifty players. I am expecting more movement on Bank Nifty. So last budget, we had a movement of around 2,400 points in Bank Nifty. So Nifty mein what will happen? There will be some policies that will be good. Nifty can go up. There will be some policies that will be bad. Nifty can come down. But Bank Nifty is specifically for the financial sector. So it will be either good or it will be bad. The only condition in the strategy is that on budget day, there should be a movement. On either side, it's okay for us. Upside also is okay. Downside is also okay. It should not be at the same level, which is very kind of rare on a budget day. So this strategy is built according to that. So similarly, right now, Bank Nifty is at 37,689. So 37,700 is the at the money strike. Let's consider tomorrow 320, whatever the price is. Okay, say from 37,700, it is 37,900 Bank Nifty. So we will buy 37,900 call option and put option, both. Got it? So we buy call and put both on the budget day. 9:15 market open, say by 10:30. Once there is a movement of 350 points on either side, don't do this below 300 points. Then the strategy will fail. 350 points movement on either side. Okay, so suppose 38,000 we had bought on Tuesday, on Monday afternoon. Now it's become 38,350, or it has become 37,650. That time we will buy at the money call and put options, the same strike price. Okay, so you will have this investment in two legs. First leg on Monday afternoon, second leg on Tuesday after the movement takes place. Right? Then on Tuesday at around 3:15 in the afternoon, we have to square off all our positions. Okay, so you can do the math on your own. You can use the Opstra options analytic. I'll put the website link in the description. You can use this. So where you have to go to options and strategy builder. You can build your own strategies regarding the options. All right. So this is one option, one strategy that we have for the budget. A capital of around 40,000-50,000 is required to execute the strategy. In case you don't have a capital of 40 to 50,000, we will wait for the budget. The budget day will start. Whichever side directional call or put we are getting to buy, we will buy and execute the strategy. So don't get overly stressed if you don't have the budget of 40 to 50,000 to execute the strategy. This strategy is also not 100% profit strategy. Otherwise, everyone would execute the strategy. There is a little risk involved, but the strategy is good because it's low risk, high return. The only thing we need is that there should be movement on the budget day, which is highly anticipated and expected. And historically looking also, always on the budget, we have a good movement. All right. So this was the strategy that we have to use. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Our courses are going live from the next weekend. I've already shared the details with you guys. I want maximum number people to enroll for the classes and start thinking for yourselves. Learn, because learning is key. Knowledge is the best technical indicator. So good luck, guys, for tomorrow and for the budget day. And we'll be in touch on Telegram. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.